What's up, guys? Today we're doing one that's insanely simple and I can almost guarantee that you're gonna enjoy it. Today is called the Garibaldi, so let's just get into it. First thing we're gonna need about 100 mils of some freshly squeezed orange juice. We're gonna froth that up. We are going to pull out a tall Collins glass with some ice. We're gonna put 45 mils of Campari into it, and then we're gonna top it up with our frothy fresh orange juice. That's all it is, guys. Very, very simple. Literally just the two ingredients: Campari, frothy fresh orange juice. Put it in there, you got yourself a beauty drink. The Garibaldi, it is believed to have been created in Italy around 2012. It was named for Giuseppe, I think I'm saying that right, Giuseppe Garibaldi. He was a very a crucial person in the liberation of Italy. It was like a tribute to him in a way, right? So the red and the orange-ish color of this, it represents the red shirts that worn by all of his followers. As far as the cocktail goes, guys, if you're at home and all you have is carton Tropicana or something, yes, of course you can make this. It'll be fine. It'll taste, like orange juice and Campari. Using fresh orange juice and frothing it up is kind of that way of just next leveling the Garibaldi. It makes it so much lighter and obviously fresh because it's orange juice, but it just works really well with Campari that way, okay? It makes it more of a delicate drink, and sort of, fuck, it's good though. Make sure you give it a good, give it a good stir. Mix it up a bit. You don't want to be drinking just orange juice. Really, really good. It's kind of comparable to me as an orange creamsicle, but bitter, right? So we're getting that bitterness from the Campari here. Campari is the standard. It's the classic spec for the Garibaldi, okay? That said, you can of course switch it up if you wanted to. You guys know that I like to use local spirits, so when I would make one of these at home, I would typically use this guy right here. So this one is one that I would typically use. It's really nice. It's more grapefruit forward, so it kind of brings a little a grapefruit bitterness to the drink when I make it. So it's kind of fun to play with it that way. Because it is such a simple cocktail, you can switch out the one ingredient for something similar at least, and you can find yourself with a nice cocktail, the normal Garibaldi, but with a little heightened in certain ways that you would prefer, okay? So I freshly squeezed all my orange juice into my mixing glass. It was 2 whole oranges. It gave me roughly 100 mils. It actually gave me the perfect amount for this class, so that was perfect. When you froth it up, typically people just use a milk frother like this. Up to you. You can use it, you don't have to. But, But that is all that I have for you today, guys. This one's very quick, very short and simple, right? 2 ingredients, orange juice, Campari. Simple. If you like what I do in this channel, please let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll be having more of these every single week. If there are cocktails that you think I should do on this channel, let me know in the comments. I'll try and work them in, all right? But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.